Hey guys, Gerson here with Shalom G Construction. Another video. We are starting a house addition in Walpole, Mass. So I'm here on top of the planks, and the foundation guys, did the windows today. They basically install the windows in between the forms before they pour the concrete. That way the window is cemented in the inside the foundation wall. That's pretty much it. And then an interesting thing that for older houses it's pretty common, but not not the right thing, because it needs to be lower. So in this case, the foundation goes only about around 3 feet, 3.5 feet inside the ground, and it needs to be a minimum 4 feet underground. So the guys will need to build a form or something to pour concrete under the old foundation. I will make another video from a little further out so you guys can see the whole picture. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks. Bye.